Hey, welcome back to the GSM workshop. I'm still working on the Corvair. The Corvair is now in the workshop, and I'm going to give you what I've done up to it so far. This is like a rolling restoration project for me, and I'm not making it into like a show queen status. It's going to be a rolling restoration to run it around this year, and we'll see how far I've got. So a lot of good progress is made. So let me turn you around, and I'll see what we got. So, last time I showed you this big rust area I had here. Actually, I wish I showed you how I did this in the end. I did it rather spontaneously without the camera gear here. But I put a new piece of steel in. I fabricated it, bent it, rolled it, formed it, and welded it in. And it's got a light skim of filler on there, and I got the some primer on here ready to be painted soon. So that's done. Then this area up here is done as well, and it's ready for painting. The interior I've detailed a little bit. I've cleaned the seats up a little bit on here, and they've come out quite nice as well. Reconnected the antenna. Under the front, if I can do this one-handed, there we go. Not much has gone in here, apart from I did put some rust cure I use in a couple of places, and I am in the process of bleeding the brakes. I'm almost there with bleeding the brakes, getting the old fluid out and new fluid in. It was pretty nasty stuff. As you can see, there's no wheels on here right now. I'll lift her up in a second, walking around. Now, the biggest progress I've made is in the back. Let me turn the light on the side here. There we go. It's maybe a bit too bright. So I now have the engine in. Do this light as well. That's better. So I have a light in. So I got the engine in. The air cleaner is only just placed on here for now. So it's in. I've got some wiring to do on here. It's not looking too bad. Got a new battery. Type 51R is a battery for this. So the engine is in, and I've got a lot of the tin work is in as well now. I've got a few more bits underneath to do. What I'll do is I'll lift it up. It's on my scissor lift. We'll take her up. Up she goes. One of the best investments I made in my workshop is having this lift. As far as I can go up here. So we'll have a look under in the wheel arches. Mainly just surface rust. Nothing serious at all. It's been sat for a long time. You can see drum brakes on the front. We can have I don't think we can see underneath very much. I've got some surface rust on the floor pan, and I got a hole in the floor here, which I can very easily fix. Nothing very serious at all. It's actually quite clean and dry. Rear one, similar story. Just dry with peeling old under seal, which I'll try and scrape out. Shocks aren't too bad. It'll do for this season anyway. Looking down the back, not too bad. Just remnants of like a wasp nest there. I haven't got the tin work on this side yet. Still working on that. Exhaust manifold is hanging off a little bit because I'm missing a stud here, and I also need to get this tin work on as well. On the back, I haven't got the thermostat lever on this side installed yet. This one is, as you can see, it's working. Tin work is done on this side, apart from the piece that fits up in here with the like the heater hose that goes up here. Fuel line is not in either. Again, fin drum brakes on the back. Look at the underside. Same as the other side, really. It's almost the same. I can look underneath here, and I did spot another rust hole here somewhere. Anyway, a very small one somewhere. And into the front, and same story really. Just dry surface rust. I'll give this a quick clean up, and I'll be going around with a grease gun and greasing it all up. It's minor surface rust on the brake line. When I decide and what I decide to do with this, I'll probably be replacing all of this anyway. That is really it. We're going to look on the back. I think I showed you under the back. Going this way. Tin work in. I have no oil in here for now. So you can see through there. I'll put a new oil filter on. And that's it. So I'm just going to give it a quick clean on the front anyway. Painting will be done later on. And hopefully to have it started this week. So bring it back down on the ground. If I can do this. Here we go, down she goes. There we go. She's on the ground. Yeah, so far so good. I'm pleased with it so far. I have I think in the last video I showed the rear window is also broken in this one. I have a repair I'm going to try and do, which I will show as well. And yeah, so far so good. I'm going to do a little bit of polishing now, and I will, oh yeah, I need to show you something. I need some help on this. The chrome rims. Take off my light, it's a bit too bright now. Here we go. Okay, so that's the center. Rough Aristocrat. I actually quite like these rims, but I have no history about them. If anybody knows any history about these, please let me know. I'm very interested to know era, where they came from, and the history behind them. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of video, please like and subscribe. There'll be more coming. I'll be doing an engine startup soon. That'll be an exciting one to watch. Thank you so far. Bye for now.